Nikocado Avocado has done something which most YouTubers are unable to do. Something which they haven't figured out yet. Your actual screen presence, your actual personality has to come across in the video. This guy is not just bouncing his belly around. He is actually creating an iconic character. He might not provide actual proper business value in helping you solve some kind of problem, like some kind of business problem, like helping you grow your YouTube channel or grow your eBay or your Shopify or grow your website or nothing, or grow your investments. He's not explaining that. He is providing entertainment. He makes you laugh so hard that you will get an ab workout. But what makes up his character, and how did he do this? His character consists of the following: his appearance, presence, personality, capabilities, mannerisms, and quirks. He actually looks quite different from a lot of YouTubers. And when he's on screen, you feel it, so he does have presence as well. And his personality is over the top with his facial expressions and always freaking out and saying crazy things. And his mannerisms, yep. He just has all of these. That is why people go up to his channel and they search for him. And one of his videos has actually gotten 40 million views in just a week. He apparently lost so much weight in just 7 months. And how did he even do that? We'll probably discuss that in future videos, because I'm not really sure how he did that. Or maybe he recorded his old videos early and then just uploaded them and lost weight throughout that time. Maybe he was losing weight for like a year and a half, maybe 2 years. You never know, because YouTubers can record their videos early and just keep them. Okay, so YouTube is quite difficult when you're starting out. My channel is small. My name is Mahat from Tube Hustle here, and I am also trying to provide value and help you grow your channel. Join this community of Tube Hustle, where we provide tips on how to get more views, subscribers, and wealth and more on this channel. Let's make it to the top together. I know it really sucks in the beginning. My channel is small and we're all learning together. I'm also learning to grow my channel as well. But the thing is that I am actually doing this part-time. I'm actually doing my videos after work, so I'm pretty tired, and it's not easy doing that. Like if you're going to school and you're doing YouTube as well, and you put so many hours in the evening, scripting, recording, and editing everything, and making the thumbnail, and then when you upload it, it just gets like just a few views, like not what you expected. Like, it is annoying. Like, it is heartbreaking. It is so difficult and discouraging in the beginning. One YouTuber I remember saying, they said starting out in YouTube in the beginning, or starting a business in the beginning, is like chewing glass and staring into the abyss. It is so difficult, but we're in this together. We're gonna do this together. Okay, let's carry on with this video and keep explaining how this guy has created such a great personality. Okay, the next thing is that he has his own sayings, his own things that he says. It's like a TV show. You remember the old TV shows? Every character had their own personality. Like, look at Family Guy. Every character in that family has their own personality. Same thing with Nick. He has interesting things that he says and does that are unique to him. Okay, the first thing that he does is he talks to the camera. He says you. He actually makes eye contact with the viewer, and he does connect with you. Okay, his first phrase is, "It's your fault. I'm calling corporate. I identify as skinny. It's just water weight." These are all phrases that he sells, and he puts them on his merch store, on t-shirts and hoodies and everything. So that is also another way that he can make money. He says that he loves avocados. That is his favorite fruit. It literally says that in his name, Nikocado Avocado. Okay. Another thing that is important about connecting with your audience is emotions. Does this guy show any emotion? Okay, here are some of the faces that he makes during his outbursts.
Wow! Wow!
Are you actually showing emotion in your videos? Are you smiling? Are you like angry or sad or something? Because if you show emotion, then that makes the video more interesting and it helps you connect with your audience. Another thing that is actually getting important on YouTube recently is length. His videos are super long, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. Some of them are even 2 hours long. So people are watching that whole thing, and a lot of them are watching it. And that means that YouTube makes the video go viral. If you make a long video like a podcast or something, and it has a high chance of going viral, because YouTube wants to keep people watching and stay on the platform. They want to keep people on YouTube. They don't want them to click onto Netflix or something, so they are pushing out these long videos to other people so they can all watch it. YouTube is pushing this all out. So if you make a long video, then it actually helps you. If you can keep your audience's attention for that long, then you can make a long video. Or you can make really small videos that are like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, like Logan Paul does. Those videos actually do quite well. Okay, those are the general tips for this video. If these helped you out, let me know down in the comment section below. There is also another YouTuber, an engineer who used to work for NASA. He made a YouTube channel and he has gotten 55 million subscribers. You can find out the exact methods that he used to go viral by clicking this video that I made for you right here.